Hi everybody, it's Professor Jim here. We're going to work through one of the, I would say most semi-difficult parts of algebra. It's polynomial division. It's not really all that bad. It looks bad, yes, but it's not that bad. And once you see this, it really won't be that bad. It's regular long division with some x's, y's, z's, etc. Obviously. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to go with steps. We're going to multiply. Okay, so basically there are 6 steps for polynomial division. So we're going to match the first term. This is the first term under the division sign. We're going to multiply. We have 2 terms going on here. We have to remember to multiply both terms. That's a key to this. If you multiply one term, you will not get the right answer. And we want to get the right answer. Okay, so we'll multiply, we'll change the signs, just like in subtraction, you try to match up the long division, you try to match up the numbers, and then you put a subtraction sign, you add downward, or subtract, you show the next term, you bring the next term down, and then we'll repeat until we're done. And we're done, we'll have a remainder. Sometimes, and sometimes we won't have a remainder. Okay, so let's start. Okay, to get from 2 to 6, we have to triple it to match up the first term under the division sign, right? So we need a 3, all right? That'll cover 2 times 3 will be 6. We have 1x, we need a second x. So if we have 3x, that'll work. 2x times 3x will be 6x squared. That'll match the first term. So let's write that down. Okay, next we have 3x. We can't forget about the second term. We might want to forget about the second term, but in order to get the answer correct, we need it. So 3x times 1 will be 3x. So far, so good, right? All right, step 3, change the sign. Both positive, so we make them both negative. I circle them. You can erase the positive, the plus signs, and put a minus if that works for you. Whatever works for you, you do. Circling works for me. It's in a number of math books, and I've stuck with it since. And then we're going to add down. So 6x squared minus itself, of course, is 0, right? 7x now minus 3x, because we changed the sign, is 4x. Okay, so we add it downward. Step 4. Step 5, show the next term. Bring it down. Plus 2. Okay. Repeat until finished. All right. So what do? We don't have to be concerned about the 0, right? We can get rid of that if we want. That's already gone. So we're going to match the first term. First term's now 4x. We have 2x to work with. We take 2x, multiply it by 2, we get 4x. So whatever we're multiplying by, we put on top. Okay, easy enough. All right, 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. Change the sign. They're both positive again. Make them both negative. 4x minus itself, 0. 2 minus itself, 0. And we're done. No remainder. if this was a 3, then we'd have a 1 as remainder. You would put the remainder as the numerator up here, and you would put what you're dividing by as the denominator, and then we'd be done. Okay, you can only go up to this point. Remainder, fine, we write it down. Sometimes people just put R and they write down whatever the leftover is, and other times they put this is the numerator and what you divide by is the denominator. That's actually more accurate. And that's, that looks pretty good. That doesn't seem so bad. Polynomial division, 6 steps. Pretty direct, no real mystery. They make them complicated sometimes. They skip an x, they'll have x to the third and x or something like that. If they have anything like that, you put a 0 in there as a placeholder. So we'd have 0x squared if we had a problem like that, which we don't. But when you get something that looks weird and it starts skipping exponents, you just put a 0x squared if you need it. Whatever you need to fill in the blanks, you do with the next exponent that's one smaller. Okay, that's good for now. Brought to you by Luigi's Pizza in Roxbury, New Jersey at Roxbury Mall. The Music Den, 1030 Route 10 West in Randolph. And have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.